So that meet was a little crazier than I thought it was going to be. What the fuck? It's fucking crazy, man. Again? What the fuck? Someone's gonna beef it, dude. Yo! The truck getting sideways. Watch out for the Mustang. Hey, get out of the way of the Mustang, Kevin. What the fuck are you doing? Oh. Perp terp. Yeah, front wheel can get it too, bro. Kevin, what are those? Oh, I know you got it. I know you got it. Yeah, son. I knew he would get it. Shit, I want you to get hurt right now. Oh, that Miata's got it. That Miata's fucking got it. Oh, Miata's got it! Miata's got it! Go! Yo! Look at people over here. Look at all those fucking people over there. Truck life. Man. Yeah, he just fucking missed that shit, dude. is a front row seat. What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck, dude? Go behind them. Fuck. That's not nice. Ticket to the right.
Oh my god, I do not know what the fuck I'm doing.
You're good. You just set that aftermarket alarm on. I've never had that happen.